Today, we're gonna draw a Christmas tree. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do one, a simple version, okay? So let's start from the top. We'll do Charlotte in the middle. We're gonna do one line like this and one line like this. Very good. And then we're gonna do a short line here. And then we'll do the same short line on this side, okay? Not all the way, don't connect. Very good, and then we'll do another slanted line down, a little bit bigger. Very good. Not too long, okay? That's very good. And then we'll do a short line again. And we'll do one more.
Bigger.
Okay, very good. And this time they'll connect in the middle with the trunk.
Mine's gonna be a real long trunk.
Okay, good job. Okay, and we can do a little decoration on there. Maybe some balls, some ornaments hanging on the edge.
I'm gonna, can I do it in front? Because,
Can you follow along? Sure, can you follow along? Do the circles on the, yes. Okay, on the corner of that. Okay, can be a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. And we can do a little star on top, okay? Okay. There you go, good job. Okay, very good. Is that good? Okay, then we'll do another different version of the same Christmas tree. We'll do a snowy one this time, okay? So we're gonna do the same triangle, but on the bottom we're gonna connect them with waves, okay? So watch, waves. It's not sharp, it's not pointy, it's wavy, okay? Very good. You can do a little bit more wave, okay? Draw a little bit bigger. So this bottom part is gonna be a little bit wider here. Okay.
Much wider.
Yeah, you need to make it smaller. Okay, yours is too long. So wave, gentle wave. Okay, and then we're gonna do one more.
Mine's gonna be really.
You need to save room for the trunk, Charlotte. Wavy, and then we have the trunk. Just one more small layer, and then we have the trunk. Okay? You ran out of space.
Yeah,
okay,
I don't want to do that part.
Okay.
Because I want to make my trunk a little bigger.
So, and then we're going to add the snow cap here. There's a little bit of snow on top. And then some more snow here. Wavy. Okay, wavy across. Very good. Okay. All right, so that's how you draw a Christmas tree.
I cannot stop putting snow on it.
Okay, good. That's a lot of snow. Okay. All right, good job.